Welcome to iMobie support channel. In this video, we will how to enhance your voice using FocuSee's Vocal Enhancement feature. Part 1. Who can benefit from the Vocal Enhancement feature? The Vocal Enhancement feature is specifically designed to support individuals and professionals who rely on high-quality audio for their work or creative projects. It is particularly useful for 1. Online educators and trainers. Ideal for teachers, instructors, and e-learning content creators. Helps deliver clear, polished, and engaging lectures while reducing background noise. 2. Video content creators. Perfect for YouTubers, podcasters, and social media creators. Enhances voiceovers, narrations, and live recordings with improved tone and clarity. 3. Professionals in marketing and sales. Great for those creating promotional videos, product demos, or customer communications. Ensures confident and compelling vocal delivery to attract and retain audience attention. Part 2. What scenarios are available? Then turn your head while recording with a microphone, and the mic may sample audio unevenly, causing sound to alternate between near far or loud soft. Vocal Enhancement feature balances the human voice significantly. 2. Encounter ambient noise when recording with a microphone. Vocal Enhancement feature reduces such unnecessary noise greatly. 3. Face hissing or current noise from poor device quality while recording with a microphone. Vocal Enhancement feature eliminates this noise clearly, making your voice more prominent. Part 3. How to enhance your voice from videos. Step 1. Choose the audio control option. After the video recording is completed, you will enter the recording editing interface of FocuSee. And please choose the audio control option in the left navigation. Step 2. Enable the vocal enhancement option. Then, please enable the vocal enhancement option under audio noise reduction. Step 3. Completed the vocal enhancement process. After clicking the vocal enhancement option, it will take a few seconds to process. Once the processing is complete, you can play the enhanced voice effect. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest contents.